Alright, so Renan and I got a little bit of time today on this Sunday. Nice day in Florida. And what are we going to do?
Riding.
Talk loud, they can't hear you.
Riding.
We're going to go riding, that's right. We're going to go check out the trails at my parents' house. We were there just a little bit ago.
You probably
Clearing the
saw
stuff
it.
out. Yeah, you probably
video.
saw it. I think that's probably going to be in the vlog before this one. So we'll do this one as the follow-up to that, where we ride it. And I'm going to take the monkey, get everything loaded up in the back. Monkey, the Pee-wee.
Even the chainsaws.
Even the chainsaws? Well, those are hockey sticks.
Yeah.
But you call them chainsaws, don't you?
Yeah, roads.
Yeah, well. So we did some work this morning and now we're going to go play. So gonna take the monkey, get it dirty a little bit. Haven't ridden it in a while. Well, I've ridden it, but not, aggressively, just cruising. So looking forward.
I Pee-wee the other day.
You rode your Pee-wee yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're gonna ride it a little bit more aggressive than normal. Work the
And
cam
more
out,
fast.
more fast. Work the intake, all the mods I got on it, the new shocks in the back.
You've
And we're
probably
just
seen
gonna
the
see how
monkey.
it feels.
You've probably seen the monkey
Hey,
on
whose vlog is this? You
Mine.
got your own YouTube channel.
No, you have your...
This is for my YouTube channel.
No, this is for mine.
What's the name of your YouTube channel? Look,
Scrappy Coco.
look here, look at him.
It's Scrappy Coco.
No, it's Ren Racer.
Wind Racer.
Talk loud.
It's Wind Racer.
That's not loud enough.
Wind Racer.
Ren Racer, that's his channel, where his content is to show other kids all the cool stuff he does. So stop taking over my channel, boy.
Stop and taking my channel.
No, this is my channel. Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
How about we race and I'll show you who's the real boss.
Yeah, I'll show you who do
Yeah.
it. I
All
know
right,
I'm
so we're gonna go down and go ride, and I don't know. Hopefully, what?
You don't really get air on this.
Hopefully we don't crash, like I did the other day on the 110.
Yeah, send it, Daddy.
Send it, Daddy. Is that what I did?
That's what you should.
I don't think I did it on purpose. But
That's what your YouTube channel should be.
Send it, Daddy. That's actually a pretty funny name. All right, so let's go check out the trails. So we're revisiting my family trails here. Just right down the street from my house. And I got Renan in tow. He's on his Pee-wee. And we're trying to hit the sugar sand before it gets too loose. But this stuff dries in like a day. We got like really good heavy rain for half the day yesterday. And so we came over here figuring it'd be pretty good today. And it's not bad, but still a little loose. But anyways, this is a area we're trying to develop to make a motocross track. See if he makes it. Got it. We're trying to make a motocross track out of this. We have the 450s too, and Renan's getting a little bit more advanced on his Pee-wee, which he'll be moving up to a Cobra or a KTM here soon. So we're trying to think about the next step for riding for both of us, as I'm learning how to get back into motocross riding, and he's learning how to motocross and doing pretty good at it. So anyways, this is the one of the areas where we're gonna try to develop for our riding practice. And along with the riding development comes speed for Renan, and he's been riding that Pee-wee since he was just over 3.5, so almost 4 years old, and he's gotten pretty dang good at it. So where I started off riding a little XR50 that I had along with him, he got so fast in our backyard track that I was pushing the XR50s super hard, and everybody was crashing trying to keep up with them. So we got the CRF 110, which is an amazing little bike, and that helps me keep up with them, at a more leisurely pace. As you can see on the monkey, he's kind of wasting me with when I'm in first gear, so switched to second. And sugar sand's kind of tough anyways. You got to keep your momentum. Oh, he's ripping it. That was cool. You're ripping it up. Okay, get some good speed going over that. Oh boy. You made it. I'm losing my concentration on vlogging because I'm trying to keep up with him. He's flying. So the CRF is a perfect little bike to keep up with Renan on. And I can actually go to the motocross tracks and ride on the Pee-wee tracks with them too. So that's what we moved up to, and the Groms and the Monkeys are a little bit faster, but they're just geared so different than an off-road bike. And riding here, it's in between first and second. It's not something that these bikes are designed for, and there's a lot of people out there that kind of jump on my case about that. I don't want to make it sound like it's a bike that was built for off-road. I just really want to do what I want to do with the bike. And off-road riding is a lot of what I have available to me, so. Got a little bit of air in that. That was fun. Whoop. We're heading off. You got it? Look at that. That's what happened to me the other day. Oh, no way. Look, there's like a imprint of the Yamaha case in the sand. You see it? That's cool. Look at him. Oh, boy. So it's probably worth noting, as I try not to die on these rutted up sugar sand trails, that I do have the Shinko Mobber tires on here. Do not have the stock tires on right now. However, the stock tires were not bad in the sugar sand when I first got the bike. One of my older videos, I'm out here riding with the stock set up when I first got the bike, and they were okay. But the deepness of the sugar sand right now and the ability to power out of the corners is certainly helped by the knobbies that are on the mobbers. Good job! Nice. You got it picked up and everything?
Yeah.
Still running?
It's fun now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's like you go over like walls and stuff.
Oh yeah?
You should try it.
I'll follow you on the next lap. Go ahead. What has he got me going through? So funny. Alright, first I'm going to sneak through this way the same as he is. And then the second one I'll hop that log. Look, he's blaming me for not taking the shortcut. Hey, you told me I didn't take the shortcut, but you didn't take it. Oh.
I actually got rid of root.
Oh, you hit a root?
Yeah. No, I got root.
Oh, you got roosted?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, who's first, me or you? You go first. I like following you.
I want to
You want to race? Okay.